guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time of seeing my video, if this is your first time of seeing my content, this is the voice of Zion of Logistics, and the person speaking right here is Samuel Joshua. So do well to subscribe and do well to share the video to whom you think it might be helpful for, and do well to also like the video. Of course, the more you like this video is the more YouTube SEO will recommend this video to those people who are in need of it. So kindly use this subscription button. You click on this subscribe button right here. You click on subscribe. Once you subscribe, turn on this notification bell and you select all here. So YouTube will be able to notify you whenever I post another helpful content like this. All right. So if you're a return subscriber, like how we always say, you are welcome back, guys, and you guys are awesome. Thank you guys for staying tuned, and thank you guys for staying connected. So in today's tutorial, I've made a whole lot of research on how we can buy RMB online without making use of the exchangers. Of course, we all know what those exchangers does to us by selling RMB to us for black market rate, right? So now I've discovered another new website that we can be using to fund our RMB. All right. So talking of VPay Fast, we all know VPay Fast. I've recorded a video on it that you know that I come here to update you guys on time whenever we have a helpful content course Zion of Logistics. All right. The major aim for this YouTube channel is to help African businesses to grow, and I really mean it. I really mean it. All right. So I come here with different updates that will helpful to you guys. Okay. So since VPay Fast has stopped working, it has become a whole lot of problem for we the mini importers to buy RMB from this website, because we patronize this website a whole lot. All right. And they recently they said their website is under maintenance. We don't know the reason why, and we don't know how long this will take, and we must not stop our business. All right. Recently I also recorded a video right here that have to do with Tor card. All right. We can also use our Tor card to fund RMB, but as at for now, this Tor card is giving us a whole lot of issues right here, right? So it's giving us a whole lot of issues. We can't even buy anything. We can't even buy RMB yet. Some people are complaining. Even myself, I've tried to send different emails to this Card Bank of Shanghai, and nothing I've been getting. So these two major concern is a whole lot of problem to us, and we are finding it very difficult to fund our Alipay account. Now this is the solution. The solution is here, guys. So make sure you don't want to skip any part of this video, because I am going to be teaching you something you want to hear and something you want to know today. So let's dive into the video properly. So all right, guys, this is the name of this website right here: buy-rmb.com. I'm going to be linking the name of this website on the description button, so you can make use of this website. So this is I think this is new launch website that they can help you buy RMB. That's the first thing. They can help you buy RMB. They can help you fund it to your Alipay account, just like VPay Fast also does, right? And another beautiful part of this website is they can help you pay your supplier, your Chinese supplier. So this simply means that you can buy from China without you having Alipay account, not to talk of verifying it with this website. And the third benefit of this website is the price are negotiable, unlike 1688 that they have unlike VPay Fast rather, that they have their stable price. This their prices are negotiable. All right. So now let me quickly take you through what you want to learn here and what you need to know. The first question is, how fast can you transfer to China? Now let me click on it to answer this question. They said buy-rmb.com can transfer money to China as fast as 1 minute. However, we estimate 30 minutes for all the transfer because your recipient might not be respond on time. So these are fast services you want to know. They say they can help you transfer these funds within just 1 minute. All right, so I want to take you through the normal procedure so we can go ahead and register on this website. Now, another thing you want to do is another thing you want to know about this website is, do you transfer to WeChat and Alipay just like VPay Fast? And their response is yes. They can help you fund your WeChat account, and also they can help you fund your Alipay account. So this is very, very beautiful. All right, so now the third question says, do you transfer to Chinese bank? Now this simply means if you want to fund your, maybe you want to pay directly to your Chinese bank supplier, your supplier's bank account, your Chinese supplier bank account. Now this is their response. They said yes, they can help you transfer to your Chinese bank. Maybe you want to pay in bulk, or you don't have means of payment, you don't have WeChat, you don't have Alipay, but you want to transfer to that China suppliers bank. Yes, you can definitely do that with this website. And how do you contact these guys? This is their number. They have their number right here. You can leave a message for them, and their working hour is from 6 a.m. in the morning to 11 p.m. right? So how much can you transfer? What is the limit of the transaction you can do with this guy? These are the questions you want to know even before trading with this website. All right, so they said the minimum is 100 RMB, and they have their maximum 30 RMB per transactions. All right, so they said they have unlimited numbers of transactions that you guys can do, just like VPay Fast. All right, so the next thing you want to know about this website is, what is your rate and is it negotiable? All right, with what you are seeing right here, they said if you are buying up to 5,000 RMB, their RMB is not stable. Okay, but with that, they give you access to a negotiable price. You can negotiate price. All right, you can negotiate price. So once you have been able to know this under where you are seeing WhatsApp, this is their WhatsApp number. All right, now let's get into the proper practical, since we've already know the frequent asked questions. Now you want to click on this hamburger right here to register with this guy. You want to click here, then you want to click on buy RMB to register, because you are going to be registering on this platform. All right, so you want to click on login here to log in, because so clicking on login will take you to this page. So if you're already an existing customer, you want to click on login with your username or your email address and password. But if this is your first time, you want to click on register here. So I will be inputting my email address, my password, and if you have a referral code, which I'm going to be leaving my referral code under the description button, so do well to use my referral code, guys. So once you are done inputting the three, you want to click on register. All right, click on register right here, and automatically they are going to be sending you a welcome message. So you can see right here that this account has already been created, and this is the email they sent to me. I don't know if there will be any need for me to confirm email. So let me check if they are going to be sending me an email to confirm. All right, okay, this is just a welcome message. You can see right here that they are welcoming me. They said welcome to buy RMB. All right, so I don't think they need any confirmation here. So let's head over to, you can see that this account has been created right now, and the next thing I want to do right here is to click on buy Yuan. All right, so once I click on buy Yuan here, you can see that this is their rate. Okay, and this website is a Ghanaian website. All right, most of my audience in Ghana, you can definitely make use of this website, and that does not even stop you from transacting. That does not stop you from transacting on this website, due to the fact that maybe it's not a Nigerian website, or they are not accepting a payment generally. No, I will teach you how to go about it, guys, with this method that I'm going to be showing you. So now this is their rate. So you want to choose if you want them to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat account. So I stick around with WeChat account here, And if you are paying your supplier, you want to click on supplier. But if it is your personal Alipay, you want to click on personal Alipay. And this is where you get your equivalent. For those people who are the symbol you are seeing here is cedis. These are currency spent in Ghana. So if you have someone in Ghana, you can definitely send your money through, you can use Eversend, or you can use different payment platform to send your money to anyone you have in Ghana right there, to help you buy RMB from this website. All right. So now let's assume I want to buy maybe 100 Ghana cedis. All right. So let's say I want to buy 100 Ghana cedis right here. This is going to be converting it to how much I'm going to be getting in Yuan. All right. So if you are in Ghana right now and you are watching this video, you might have find this video very helpful. Please do well to like this video and do well to share your experience if you have been using this website, because I know this website has been in existence maybe a few years back now. And I believe, let's check their what we are going to be getting. Okay, so now this is what we are going to be getting. We are going to be getting 57 yuan with 100 cedis. All right, so now don't panic. If you are other country, I'm going to be teaching you how you are going to be bypassing this level here. So now this is the recipient details. If you want to use your QR code, okay, you are going to be selecting here this, click to select here. Once you click on it, you are going to be uploading your QR code. If you don't know how to go about it, you can do well to send me a message on how to go about it. And the next thing you want to do now is to write the full name on the account here. So you want to input the full name on your Alipay account right here. And the next thing you want to do is to make sure that you input is either the number attached to the email, the Alipay account, or the email address. Okay, so you click on this, you check in that box, and if they've closed, you can see that they've already indicated it in there that they are going to be taking the order in the next day since they resume. Okay, so once you are done now, you want to click on continue. All right, so let me just try to upload a image right here. So I've uploaded maybe just one image there. It's not a barcode, just for a tutorial purpose. And the next thing you want to do now is to click on continue. All right, so clicking on continue will take you to this next page where you are going to be submitting your order. All right, so you can see that after submitting that order, this is the billing details. So you want to input your name, your WhatsApp number, your email address, and the additional information on this order. You can see that this is similar to VP Fast. All right, so what you want to do now is to input your name and your number. Okay, so once you are done inputting the necessary informations on this billing page, you want to input, as I've said before now, you want to input the necessary informations, and this additional information is just optional, but you can put something simple there. Okay, so you proceed right here. You can see that this is your order page where you want to make payments, and this is what you are going to be getting charged. All right, and if you want to negotiate, you can also do well to negotiate. All right, so now you can see that their means of payment is MoMo. That is one thing I love about this website. Presently, Nigeria is also making use of MTN MoMo, right? So you can also do well to make use of it. So you want to click on place order, because right now in Ghana, I believe nearly everyone has a MoMo account. All right, so now this is the MoMo number you are going to be transferring these funds to. You can see we have Patco Ventures, and this is the MoMo number. With this short code, it will direct you to this option where you are going to be making a payment. And once you make your payment, you can see that this is the billing address, and this is what I'm going to be getting after they've confirmed the payment. All right, so once they confirm this payment, you are going to be leaving this page. Okay, so once you leave this page, you are going to be seeing your RMB within a few minutes. All right, I think I have someone who has already tested this website, and they said they are perfectly working well. All right, so now if you are coming from other countries and you want to access this website, this is what you are going to be doing. All right, so now at this point, please, if you find this video very helpful, kindly subscribe. All right, like that video, please. It is free to subscribe, and do what to like that video. Now, what you want to do now at this point, you want to click on this WhatsApp icon here. Clicking on the WhatsApp icon will direct you to their customer services. All right, you are going to be telling them the payment options you want to be making if you are coming from different countries. All right, so this is applicable for anybody around the globe. Once they confirm the payments, they are going to be funding your RMB to your Alipay directly without any stress. All right, so if you have any more questions about this website, you can do well to leave it under the comment section of this video. I will definitely attend to you. If you need me to mentor you on how to go about this website, how you can buy successfully, or you are still finding it very difficult, or you want me to help you buy your items from China, or you want me to help you procure, you want me to help you fund your RMB, or you are finding it very difficult to access this website, do what to reach me on these numbers. All right, so this is what I have for you guys today. I will definitely see you in my next video.